Welcome to the Moore Realtors Weekly St. Louis Real Estate Market Update. I'm Dennis Norman, one of the brokers at Moore, and if you'll give me a few minutes of your time, I'll bring you up to date on what's happening in the St. Louis housing market. Let's jump right in with the real estate news. Here's some of the headlines from this week from stlouisrealestatenews.com, the best local source for news and information on the St. Louis real estate market. That's stlouisrealestatenews.com. There's a helpful article on what to do when moisture gets inside of your home. From a roof leak, plumbing leak, basement leak, steps to take to avoid mold and other issues. An article on foreclosures, and the foreclosure sales accounted for nearly a third of all home sales in the first quarter of this year, and foreclosed homes are selling at a discount of 27%, which is part of the problem with home prices and what's bringing home prices down. A helpful article on whether or not you should get pre-qualified for a mortgage before buying a home. And finally, an article discussing mortgage delinquencies and showing that they increased in April. Now I'm going to share with you data on the real estate market itself. The first couple of slides are on the St. Louis metropolitan area, so the entire St. Louis area. And on this first one here, you'll see that the median home price for the St. Louis metro area increased slightly this week to $178,647. Most expensive listing, $6.8 million. Average price per foot is being asked $100 a foot. Average days on the market's 100 days. That's down a little bit. And then there's some other statistics there as well. You can read all of them on our site. Overall, though, our market action index is a 13, and that is indicates it's a cold market, definitely a buyer's market. 30 would be a neutral market, wouldn't favor buyers or sellers. And so 13 is significantly below the neutral part. This chart, again for the St. Louis metropolitan area, shows the median home prices over the past year, and the orange line shows 90-day average, and the black line shows 7-day average. The black line is a little more volatile. It's quicker to show movement in the market, and you'll see here that it is trending upward. It bottomed out in the beginning of the year and is definitely trending upward, which is a good thing. Now the data I'm going to share with you is for the St. Louis 5-county area, which includes the city of St. Louis as well as the counties of St. Louis, St. Charles, Jefferson, and Franklin. By clicking on the chart or going to the website shown, you'll be taken to our website where you can get detailed market analysis, including charts and stats like these for any specific market throughout the St. Louis region. This first chart shows for the past year the median sales price of homes sold as well as the median number of days it took to sell homes. The green line represents the sales price, blue the median number of days to sell. We can see that the days to sell peaked in March but has been steadily declining, now down below 60 here in May. And home prices have slowly been increasing here. This next chart's the same data, just shows year to date though, so it's a little easier to see the trends. And clearly the price trend is slightly upward here. It's inching its way up closer to the 140,000 mark, and the days on market is dropping below the 60-day mark. This next chart shows the ratio of the actual sales price of the home to what it was listed for or what the seller was asking for it. The blue line represents the sales price to what the list price was at the time of sale. The green line represents the sales price in relation to the original list price when the home first went on the market. And here we can see that the sales price to original list price has dipped off a little bit in May. The sales price to current price has increased slightly. Here's a year-to-date chart, shows the same information. Finally, we have a broader look here. Here's a historic chart. This is for a 10-year period, and it shows median sales prices and median list prices for the 5-county area. The blue line represents median list prices, green median sales prices. And again, we can see the peak for both in 2006, trending downward, and for sales prices, the green line, it's dropped off here in 2011. This next chart is the same data for just the past 12 months, so it's a little easier to see. But we can see list prices are increasing slightly, but sales prices are declining, and it looks like roughly around the $140,000 mark a year ago, now down, getting very close to somewhere in the 125 range. Now what I've given you here is a quick snapshot of the overall St. Louis market. At More Realtors, we have the knowledge, experience, and resources to counsel you, help you interpret the data, and tell you what it means to your particular situation. We can prepare custom reports and charts for you so you can stay on top of home prices and market activity in your neighborhood or area you're interested in buying a home on. Click on the chart to see complete market data. In addition, we publish a free monthly newsletter that is packed with information, news, and resources on the St. Louis real estate market. You can sign up here on our website to receive it monthly via email, or you can click on the newsletter here and be taken to a site to sign up. And finally, my partner John Williams and myself, along with our team of dedicated real estate professionals, are here to use our experience and knowledge to help make your next real estate transaction a successful one, no matter how challenging your situation may be. Click on our photos to find out more about us. And we'll see you next week. God bless.